Numax 80 amp hour Leisure Deep Cycle battery. I'm connecting the battery now. It comes straight up with an error message saying 12.5 volts, whereas if I measure it with my multimeter and it's 12.8, which means it's 100% on the battery, and it doesn't matter what battery I use, that one, I've bought my car battery over as well, and that one's new, that's 75 amp hour. They all do the same. I can do this 5 or 6 times, sometimes 10, 15 times, connection, disconnect, connect, disconnect, and then, and only then, will it allow me to try and start it. And when I do, the glow plug comes on, cuts out, then it will just keep blowing for about 30 seconds, then it will try and come on again. But there's no way that it's 12.5 volts, so I believe this unit is the faulty part, because that's what obviously reads the voltage, so that's why it's not usable.